Hello?
Hello.
I love your shark hats.
Thank you.
They're super cute.
No, thank you.
Okay, you gotta put your toque on.
Daddy!
Toque on. Toque.
We're going outside.
We're going outside. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Let's do it.
Stay right, Emma.
How bring your mittens.
No.
Okay, let's go, Moko. Come on.
Wait for me.
Yeah, we're waiting.
Okay, let's go. No.
Good job.
Poppy stick.
No, it's cold. Can you guys do it?
Yeah.
It's cold out here.
Mama!
Say cheese. So I can't wait to start getting a garden going. We have a little house back there. I'm excited.
That's a camera.
This time I'ma win it. This time I'ma win it. What's my luck? I wanna get in. Inside your love, inside your love. This time I'ma win it. This time I'ma win it. What's my luck? I wanna get in. Inside your love, inside your love. We'll move all night. No worries, no doubts. This is my time to bring it. We'll move all night. No worries, no doubts. This is my time to make you dance, dance. You're never gonna catch me. Dance, dance. So what if I'm crazy? Can't take me out. I'll never come down, down, down. Hey,
So here is the finished product, you guys. I am so excited. These are all the kids' crafts. There's more crafts in here and games and stuff like that. And then here's all the cleaning, like the no wax stuff. And then here, you know what I mean? And then here's like all the knickknacks so you can see it. And then all the tools, light bulbs, which is not really used, and like ironing and all that stuff, and candles. And then down below is all the gift bags and everything. So up top, yeah, is like irons and light bulbs and just like vases and candles and stuff. And then here, I don't know, I think it looks so much better. Like I really, took me about half an hour to clear everything and clean everything and organize it. So all the kids stuff's here, and then games, and then more arts and crafts are down here. Cleaning, and then the cleaning stuff is on the door, and that's it. Whew, I'm happy. Good morning, it is Thursday, April 16th, right? Yeah, it's Thursday, so good morning. Dropped off the kiddos at daycare, and now literally just took my nails off because I was like irritated that one fell off, and then I was like, oh, the other one's lifting. Anyways, I'll do a video on that. But right now I'm getting ready. As you can see, it's a little chilly outside, so I'm gonna wear a jacket and a toque and a beanie, and I'm listening to my music, and I'm gonna show you guys my workout this morning. And it's a really good workout. It involves running, so yeah, let's do it. So today's workout, I'm gonna write it on the thing here. It's 4 rounds, and I'm running around my block kind of area, so I don't really know if that's like 200 meters or 3, I don't really know. So I'm just running around, it's a lot. And then I'm taking my barbell, which is here. And I'm gonna do some clean and jerks. I think I'm gonna do about 20 of those. And then I'm gonna do push-ups, and I think 20 of those. So we're gonna do 4 rounds of those. So I'm gonna be red tomato face and dying. So let's go outside.
Yeah. Yeah. Shit is out there, we like to party. Listen up, yeah, it's time to start it. And I know you got it. You with me, let's rock this party. All the fellas on the side say, and all my fellas on the side say, tonight we're gonna fly high to the skies, cause we're gonna have a taste of the good life. Here we go, here we go, here we go up. We're gonna rock this club till it blows up. Yeah, we're gonna live a good life.
Just finished my workout. Don't worry, I'm gonna get glam. So I did 3 rounds instead, and I did a run around. I did 20 barbells, and then I did 10 push-ups. That was good enough. That took me roughly around 16 minutes. So I just wanted a quick burner, and I got it. So now I'm gonna shower and get dressed for the day. You should try it. So, correction, I did 500 meters. I calculated where I live and that whole distance, and it says it's 500 meters. Pretty sweet. I got this new file kind of thing. It has like numbers on them, like which order to do them. So with that being said, I'm just going to, I peeled them off because they were like already lifting. Like it's been like almost 3 weeks now. So with the thumbs, I'm going to leave them. I'm just going to kind of take them off, or not take them off, just file them down because they are brand new nails and I don't really want to just rip brand new because it's probably got that fake nail on it, you know what I mean? So anyways, I'm just gonna like, oops, I'm just gonna trim these down. I don't really do this, but I'm figuring like I want like nice nails at least. I mean, they'll be short, but somewhat together and not so rough. You guys, I've been getting my nails done for like ever. Like, no, not forever. I've been getting my nails done for years now. Like 4 years. 4 years ago. Because when Freya, my first daughter, was born, that's when I started. Because I was like, well, I want to treat myself, you know. I have all this time. Not all this time, but I just want to have like a minute to myself, you know, kind of thing.
We're gonna do it all night. We're gonna live the good life.
So they're filed, super short, little stubbies, but that's all right. Okay, so grit to shape nail, 2 medium grit to refine the shape, 3 is smooth edges. So I think I'm gonna use number 2 just on the top because there is a lot of rough edges, and there is like, there's still like the nail part that got stuck on some parts.
Let's go and live the good life, the good life tonight. We're gonna live the good life. Alright. Let's go and live the good life, the good life.
So the color that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this like Mod About You. It's my favorite. One of my friends got me hooked on this one from OPI. So I think I'm pretty much done. Which one did I go to? 3, where's 4? Okay, condition nail. Alright, let's do it.
I've been around this time, look up and down for some to play with. Yeah, I know I finally found you, girl. I know I found you, girl. You got me. We're gonna live the good life. Alright. Let's go and live the good life, the good life.
And we all done? So I did a TikTok video putting on my makeup today, which I love. But now I'm just editing the video. This will be up. Obviously, you're gonna see this. This video will be up already. It's hard to think. But yeah, so I'm just editing right now. And then I already had some lunch, so I'm just finishing off my salad. And yeah, with this, the layer, this is what the magic happens, I guess. But after that, get food prepped. I don't know, I really want to watch a movie. Like I'm only gonna work on this for another like 15-20 minutes, which is what I'm pretty sure I'll be done with. And then I gotta make like a thumbnail, but I'm gonna do that later tonight because as long as this video is done, it might be up tonight. Well, you guys will already see this, but anyways, okay. Oh my goodness, happy Friday, you guys. We made it. I just did like a light makeup. Maybe it's not light. I don't have lipstick on yet. But anyways, it's around 10:45. I have to go to the grocery store. I want to go. But I gotta get a couple things, like not a lot, so that's good. But yeah, I'm just not happy about it. But anyways, so I have to go there, and then I think I'm gonna quickly film a beauty, like what's new kind of video, and I do want to do a tie-dye video, but I think I might film that tomorrow just because I really want to do the tie-dye. But I gotta do some makeup reviews, so that's gonna happen. I don't know if I can take you shopping with me, but yeah, we got lots to film and edit. I'm really excited about it. So anyways, happy Friday. I didn't really do my hair yet. I will do it for the video. I'm really sad that my week is over, you know? But anyways, how are you guys doing? Hey guys, so I finished filming my video. It is currently 4:15 right now. I have supper in the oven. I got some lasagna, woohoo! And then I'm gonna cook some garlic bread, and then I have salad, and then I made noodles and for the girls just because might not want lasagna. I don't really know, but I'm gonna go quickly pick them up and then come home and chill. But I filmed, it was like a review, PR, unboxing, but review with it, you know what I mean? So look for that video. I'm really excited for tomorrow because tomorrow I'm gonna film my tie-dye one. I'm really excited. I might do a voiceover just because the kiddos are around. So stay tuned for that. And I can't wait to get this vlog up and going. And yeah, so definitely it's gonna be, this is part 2 if you're watching. The other one's part 1, so I'm really excited. So anyways, talk to you guys later. And I think I will leave the vlog like this unless there's anything coming up, but yeah, okay. Hey guys, and welcome back. No, I don't know. I'm inserting this clip at the end of the video because, as you guys can see, there is a giveaway with here because as I was editing this vlog, I hit 1,000 subscribers. Yay! Like, this is a huge milestone. I've been doing YouTube for a while. I've been upping my content and just wanting to give back to you guys. So with that being said, I am giving away a lovely jewelry box. How amazing. You guys get to win this Pt.2. The box is a little bit damaged. I had received this from a friend and he said, just do whatever you want with it. He gave it to me so lovely. I was like, well, what can I do with this? I really wanted to give it back to someone. So it retails for $100. So I'm gonna give it to you guys so you guys can see it. So there's a watch, there's a necklace and a bracelet. It's a lovely set. It says Pt.2. It's French and it's a little, just the box is a little bit beat up, but you can give it to your mother for Mother's Day or a friend or anything. So with that being said, on how to enter, I'm gonna be running this giveaway for 2 weeks. So June 1st, we'll announce the winner. I want you to ask me a question because I want to do another Q&A for you guys. You guys came up with amazing questions. So I want to do another one. And make sure you guys leave a question for me. Make sure you guys subscribe to this video, like it, and give it a thumbs up, and comment your question. And of course, where I can message you if you guys are the winners. So I will leave everything in the description box below. And I can't wait to share with you guys this amazing giveaway for reaching 1,000. It's such a milestone, you guys, like you have no idea. So with that being said, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching the end of this vlog. I love you guys so much. You guys have no idea. So yeah, love you. Bye.